Hello everyone. I welcome you guys to my channel today. It has been a while, of course. I know that I really missed you guys. I've not come to YouTube for, in fact, since this year I've not done any video because I've been super duper busy. But you know, mm, but I really missed you guys, and I had to squeeze that time to make some beautiful cream review for you guys. So today I have a cream I want to review for you guys. So, and this is a cream that is very affordable and works also like magic. So this cream is the Skin Light cream. Many people already knows this cream. Many people know this cream already, but there are some, I think there are some people talk negatively about it. Even me before before I tried it, I didn't know much about it. Sometimes when we see a cream because it's not expensive, we just think, it's not going to work or anything like that. The cream, number one, is is um is very affordable. It's not an expensive cream, but uh, that doesn't mean that it does not work. So this Skin Light, today I'm going to tell you guys all about it and how you can use this cream to achieve the best result without it giving you any side effects in your body. So if you want to hear all that and how you will also something you can put in it to get the best results, all those secrets I'm going to give to you only if you can stick around for a while. Yeah, and watch till the end. So this Skin Light cream, you know, number one thing I want to tell you guys is that this cream, just like any other cream, it has the original, it has the fake. So before you start saying, oh, this cream doesn't work, it gives that spot, it gives that knuckle, it gives a stretch mark or whatever, make sure you're buying the original. And I think that is why, because of the fake ones, that's why the company now came up with this sale. The main way to know the original is with this sale. You see, the original comes with this sale. You can see it. I hope you can see it. You see, Skin Light. You see this seal. Every original must come with it. Another thing is that when I talk about Skin Light, don't confuse it with the other European Skin Light, Mama Africa Skin Light. They are not the same thing. Last time a friend was telling me that uh, she bought this cream, and it was that I asked the company to refund her because it was expired. No, when I started asking her question, I found out that she bought the European one, which the color, according to her, was yellow instead of white. The content. So that's the things I have to look out for. But if you want to look at this one very well, you see. So this one is not the European one. I think the European one is like brown. The container is not white. But they are the same name, is the same Skin Light, but this one is a white container with an orange cover and with this seal. So that one gone. So this Skin Light, this is a very simple skin lightening cream. I have a friend that swears like with it. She can't use any other cream. That's what she uses with her husband, and her skin is mwah. So even when because of her, I bought this cream sometime last year because I was having some, because the cream, her face is so flawless and she doesn't use any other thing. And when I bought it, this cream works. it works, it lightens the skin, but the main thing, it lightens the skin, but you have to know how to use it. You know, some people, they can buy this cream, they will go and mix it with other things. You know, before you start mixing a cream, you have to know how strong the cream is first. And you also have to know the kind of skin you have. You know, some people have stubborn skin that no matter what they use on their skin, it doesn't work, you know. So but if you don't have that kind of skin, when you get a cream that is strong, you know, that works like this, you don't need to start, you know, adding this or add gel, add this, you know, add many things. Instead, you just add something that will help it to condition your body, you know, to bring out the best from your body. So now i, I want to tell you guys the active ingredients in this cream. What are the active ingredients? Because anytime I want to buy a cream, I want to use it. Before I use a cream, I always look out for the active ingredients. So that is what you also have to look at. So the active ingredients in this cream is uh hydroquinone. I mean the active lightening ingredient. It has other ingredients, but for lightening, the active ingredient is hydroquinone, carotene. It contains carotene, and yeah, it contains that is carrot extract. That is carotene. So this is the active ingredients. You know, everybody know that carrot extract lightens on its own. Hydroquinone lightens, and this cream doesn't say how much hydroquinone it contains, but I believe, based on the way the cream works, it contains more than 2%. So what does that mean? It means that this cream, if it contains more than 2% of hydroquinone, and also it contains this carrot extract, that makes it a very effective cream. So how do you use it to get the best result? So because then it contains, another thing I like about this cream, not only the, you know, not only that it contains this hydroquinone for lightening, and carrot extract for lightening, it also contains other things that will help to moisturize your body, you know, because it's good that even you're lightening your skin, that your skin is moisturized. So it contains Vaseline, vitamin E. So let me leave the Vaseline, but the major thing is vitamin E and glycerin. You see, it contains glycerin, it contains vitamin E, and this vitamin E is a good moisturizer. I use it in all my cream. You see, it's a good moisturizer. It helps to moisturize your body, keep away, you know, it doesn't let your body dry out, because if your body is drying out, that means very soon wrinkles will be coming, knocking around the corner. You understand? So it contains this glycerin. So my advice to anybody that wants to use this cream in a way that you get, you know, a good result, is that while using the skin light, depending on the shade you want, if you don't want to be very fair, if you don't want to be very fair, I will advise you to use it like this. You don't need any other thing. The only thing you can add to it, if you need more moisture to your body, is to add more you need to add more vitamin E to it. You mix it with more vitamin E, because this cream already is a very active cream. If it's not drying you out, I don't see any reason why you should have any problem with your wrinkle, I'm sorry, with your knuckles or anywhere. So But if you're the type that have a very stubborn skin, then no matter what you use, it does not lighten. So then you can add, you can mix it with maybe another carrot oil or another lightening serum. I will advise serum, lightening serum, and vitamin E. You understand? Because I wouldn't want you to go and start adding like another tube that contains maybe hydroquinone or steroid, you know. So, and some people complain that this cream uh gives them stretch mark. I don't think that this cream gives stretch mark. Do you know why? I know a friend that has been using it for more than 10 years with her husband. She doesn't have stretch mark. But what I know is that this cream, if you already have a stretch mark and you use this cream without adding vitamin E, it can make it, because it's going to, you know, when you have stretch mark and you lighten, it will make it to be very obvious, you know, if you become lighter in that area. So what this cream does is that when you have this thing stretch mark already in your body, and you start using this cream, it's going to make your stretch mark obvious, more obvious. It's going to make it more visible, you know. Not that is so, but if you don't, so if you have a stretch mark and you are using this cream, what you should do is try to mix it with vitamin E. If you have not watched my video about the benefits of vitamin E to the skin, please go and watch it. It will help you, because you know, we, especially we Africans, we dark people, we are just interested in, you know, getting a lighter skin without thinking about other things that will help to maintain, you know, our skin for a long time or prevent other harm. There are some things, vitamin E is very good for the skin. So always, like me, I always put it to in my moisturizers. So you add this to your to this cream to use. Add vitamin E to this cream to use, and you will get an excellent result. So in summary, I said, you had everything I said. Use it like this. If you think your skin is tough, very tough, you can mix a serum, lightening serum, you see, lightening serum and vitamin E. So that's all I want to tell you guys today, and I thank you for watching. So watch out, because I want to make many videos, because I have not made some videos and people are sending me messages, so I'm going to make more. So please watch and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and bye.